Yo, so this is, damn bro, I don't even really know how to start this bitch. So I got a funded account. Well, I had 2 funded accounts so far, and I blew the first one like a dumbass, bro. Don't blew the first one like a dumbass, like a fucking idiot. But now I'm up $995. $995 on this one. I can show y'all my performance stats. Look, this is fucking ass. Well, sometimes, like, bro, I would literally, like, take a trade and then I would get out of it, and then, bro, look how many trades I've taken, bro. That is fucking ridiculous. That is so fucking stupid. But look, $57. Like, look, dude, I was up way more, bro. Way more. Oh wait, no, actually, this one was pretty good because I was down a lot, and I try to get the same entry 3 times right here, 3 times, but it was all bad, and then I paid out, I guess, and then yeah, this one was pretty good. But then this one, bro, I was pissed as fuck at myself. Like, look, brother, look at these trades. $60, a short, a long, and a short. $60, $250, $290, $210, bro, and I literally just rinsed it away, gang. Literally just $190, $180, $120, $30, $140, $300, $250, $260, bro. Like, I was up like $800 at one point, I'm pretty sure. And then I literally just rinsed it away for $194. And this one, it's pretty good. All winning trades, 15, 98, 402, and 11. I mean, that's pretty good, bro. I mean, that's average. And this right here, bro, yeah, this was rough. This one was rough. Like, look, so I lost $63 and $392, then 7 to 14. This was me trying to figure out what was going on and like how to enter, just taking stupid shit. And I took the long fucking shit on myself. 28, and then right here, like, I literally was just fucking around. So these 3 shouldn't even count for real, but whatever. And this was rough. Alright, so look, I made $125 my first trade, and I lost 184, then lost 107, then made $7, and then lost 245. Bro, it was fucking rough. I was down like 440, and I made $35 when I woke up, and then I smacked for a nice ass. I wonder if you can see it. Like, no, I don't think you can. No, but I smacked for a nice long this morning. And then this one right here, and then I was trying to go for a long, but it was just ranging too much, bro, and I just took my L. And that was about it, bro. Look, 57, 251, 753, 941, and then 995. But I'll show you what I was talking about on gold. It was over here. It was right here. Look. It was fucking this trade right here, bro. I don't even have it marked out, bro. I vividly remember the setup right here. No, it was, no, it's the same as that setup though. Yeah, this. Bro, I got in, literally, like, this was a long we took. So, this was the first trade. Like, this was the first trade. I got in, like, right there. And I took profit, like, right there at the top of that. And my stop loss was like right there, but it already done range out this wick right here, and I took that, and then I tried to, bro, like, look how much it ranged before it took off. So my entry was like right there, and I had my stop loss pretty tight. It was like 1.5, and I was targeting right there, the top of that wick. But no, bro, this bitch decided to fucking range. Like, look how far we went up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This right here, I got stopped out right here, but I continue to watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times, bro. That was fucking ridiculous. Like, this is price action. Hey, brother, I decided to enter the trade probably at one of the most choppiest fucking spots ever. Like, that should That's just really unlucky. And I was targeting this high right here. Yeah, bro, that's just really fucking unlucky. Or realistically, when I got in right down here off of this trade, bro, that should have been the high I was targeting. Right there. That would have been probably 1,500 right there. Even though it fucking took 20 years. It should eventually would have, because it had a bunch of liquidity to, oh fuck. Yeah, it had a bunch of liquidity to catch up on, to take out in this area. So I think what I'm gonna do next week is I'm gonna go in every time, and this is my strategy. I got it down a good bit, bro. If you're in a trading, bro, you probably know who what the strategy's from. Bro, hold on, give me a second, man. What the fuck? Yo, I'm actually done. What the fuck? Where did my thing go, bro? Yo, intermission. Deadass. Intermission, man. Brother. Sorry, brother. The light gotta come on, bro. I gotta find this one, bitch. Hey, bro. Don't say nothing about my damn Avenger blanket either. Oh God, don't say no shit about that. That shit comfy. That bitch so damn comfy. But yeah, I should have targeted this right here. And every mistake that I've made, like on my trade, bro, has literally been my fault. Like, it has been my fault. Like, I wanted to trade when I got home, but I already knew I went. Young bull went and got his ears pierced. I don't know if y'all can see it. Young bull went and got his ears pierced. Oh shit. But yeah, every trade I've taken, bro, there's been a reason and why I've lost it. Like what was it, yesterday? Yeah, Thursday night after I got off work, where I literally had a lockout, bro. I was down like 440, and I'm sitting there like, bro, I was fucking go, bro. I thought it, like, I was tweaking, bro. I was literally tweaking. My dead ass was tweaking. And like I just had to recuperate. I had to take a shower, bro. Touch some grass, and then I had to go get some food. And I didn't trade for this tonight. And then I woke up Friday morning and smacked for a $504 trade, which is pretty good, honestly. But then my dumbass tried to bought in at the worst price action area, not even knowing. I mean, how do you even? I mean, like, bro, how can I even predict this right here, bro? Like, for real. Like, maybe I can predict it, but it's just like, what the fuck? Like, this is where I was targeting right here, but this is where I really should have been targeting, was these highs, and I should have just had my stop loss fucking like right there, like 3.1 type shit. So when we range, bro, that would have been a 20-point trade. I always gotta think big. Like, I just don't know what it is, bro. I need to fix my psychology. I do. I really do. But anyways, this is my strategy. It's, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark out 1 hour, 4 hour highs and lows, and I'm gonna mark out the session highs and lows, which will probably be the same thing. And then I'm gonna look at data highs and lows, which is like news, like what's going on in the news and everything. And then number 2, I'm gonna wait for a key level to get hit, support and resistance areas. So like, say I have a key level, like this would have been a key level. Like after this was a key level, and then you see how right here, right after we hit this, we had, right after we tapped into it, we had a fat ass drawdown to another key level, which was a fair value gap, which was a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Well, I mean, yeah, fast also, which was this fair value gap, or yeah, and we drew down a little bit to, yeah, and then guess what? Boom. After we tapped into that key level and we failed to reject through the fair value gap, fucking IFEG type shit, and then we had a continuation up, bam, winning trade right there. But I wasn't on the charts at this time because I fucking took the L and I was happy for the day I was up. And then after that, and then I'm gonna say whenever key levels get hit, there's gonna be some manipulation off of it. Bam, like I just said, there's gonna be manipulation. It's always gonna be some fucking manipulation off the key levels. And then I would have waited for a key level to get hit, and as soon as I seen there was no support whenever we closed on this candle and had a little bit of a drawback down, and then seen that it was, I should have got in right about there, and that would have been a nice fucking trade. I would have had my stop loss probably right here at the bottom of this fair value gap, or right there in the middle of the fair value gap. It's a little proof of the sauce right there, which it works. And then I'm gonna scale down to low time frames, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute time frames, in which I did. Whoa, what the fuck? Right. And then number 4, I'm gonna wait for 5 minute confirmation confluences, which is validation, which are breaker structures. SMT, I haven't really seen SMT divergences because I'm only a micro gold. I'm on gold, and I trade NASDAQ sometimes. Like I made $540 off that NASDAQ, which is this one, but usually I trade gold. And then it's inverse fair value gaps, IFEGs, and then 79% closure off Fib extension, which I don't use that. And then wait for a retrace. Bam, retrace. This is actually a really good example of my strategy, bro. That's so funny. That's fucking crazy. And then wait for a 5 minute continuation confluence, which are order blocks, breaker blocks, equilibrium, which equilibrium got caught right there. And then fair value gaps, confirmation. Bam, made a fair value gap right there, or I guess you would say right there whenever the key level is. And then still, even if I would have took that right there, that would still been a nice little 13-point trade right there, or 19, yeah, 13-point trade, and I would have had this right there. Yeah, and then the next step is I'm gonna wait for a continuation confluence, bearish or bullish, and I'm gonna scale to the 1 minute time frame. So we're right here. Where were we at? Yeah, there we go. Oh, this bitch was cash money in the 1 minute time frame, bro. Oh my lord, brother. This bitch was cash money. See the entry I was talking about? Yeah, little order block shit going on. And then scale to the 1 minute time frame, and then I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute confirmation confluence, which is breaker structure, inverse fair value gap, right there. And then I'm gonna enter, and I'm gonna target previous key levels marked, which is right here, which this was a previous key level, and then marked in the opposite direction. Bam. And then I'll mark out, and then like say, and then really if I took this trade right here, I deleted everything. I had a bunch of this shit marked out, but like I had this marked right here, and I also had this right here marked. But I just deleted all of it because I'm just like closing my graph for Monday, or Sunday afternoon, whatever, like 5 o'clock. And then yeah, and then after we would have failed to retest, I would have, like, realistically, like I said, I would have targeted probably right here in the middle of this fair value gap right there. That would have been my stop. And then bam, we would have seen the trade work out, bro. Really. Damn, bro, that's a fat ass fucking trade. Holy shit. And then this would have been another key level. So really, when I had this marked out, my take profit would probably have been like right there. Because after we have swept the liquidity, there's always gonna be drawdowns, and or would you call this a breaker short? I'm still learning. We swept the liquidity, or this. I think this was New York highs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this was New York AM highs, and I was trading in New York PM or New York lunch. New York lunch, and this was the highs. Then yeah, and I'm pretty sure this was the low. This was the lunch highs, and then we beat the lunch highs, and then we just had a continuation up, which I knew, bro. Literally, as soon as I got on the charts and I looked at it, bro, I literally knew that we were gonna beat the fucking, like we were sweeping the damn session highs, bro. I should have just stayed in it, and I should have, but I don't like lose money, man. To be honest with you, and yeah, that's my strategy. I just need to work on my psychology and my setups and making sure I have my confirmation all right. Have everything. I'm trying to rip this part of my notebook out. This shit talking about some fucking. I want to read y'all some of my notes that I took when I first started to learn how to trade. Step 1: be profitable. Practice on a demo and make sure you are green and profitable. I'm going to the demo today, and when I practice until I get paid, then I'm gonna buy funded. Having a trading plan / strategy. I have not made a plan or a strategy yet. I have a strict trading plan, and be disciplined and also stick to the rules and practice, because if not, I will fail. When I'm trading, what I'm trading, how I'm gonna trade and execute. Risk management: 3% drawdown. I will want to risk 1.5%. Do not hit the daily drawdown or you just fucking suck. Risk half your drawdown, 50% of the drawdown. Number of trades per day. And then psychology about trading. Be profitable, have a trading plan, risk management, and psychology. If I can do all these and practice and learn the market, I can passive funded and be profitable. And then this is my trading plan that I made. The next page. This was like 3 or 4 months searching and looking and practicing and figuring out what worked for me. But I saw one, bro, and I saw this one, bro, and I was like, I really fucked with this one, like, for real, like, dead ass. Like I understand it, like, it's really stupid simple, bro, and I really want to be profitable, so I'm just gonna try this one out, and I'm gonna stick to this one and this one only, and not listen to nobody else, for real. And it's daily bias, key levels, low time reversals, low time frame reversals, low time frame continuations, enter and exits. Session lows and highs, 1 hour lows and highs, 4 hour lows and highs, and then data highs and lows. And if you don't know, a confluence is a validation of signals, increased probability. Dude, I fucking write like a retard, bro. Like, I'm trying to read it, dude. I can barely understand this shit. God damn, chicken scratch. Increased probability, filtering out weak setups, buy or sell signals. And the order blocks are large buy or sell orders executed before significant price move represents areas of high demand or supply, leading to price imbalance or fair value gaps. Identify these zones as entry points or exit points. And let's go back to the TJR boot camp shit. Are we back here somewhere? Or not? What the fuck? Oh yeah, it's the last like 15 pages. But these are my, in the back of this notebook, my goals and my to-do list. I'm going to be financially free. I'm going to make $6K a week at least. I want to travel. I'm going to buy my dream house. I'm going to buy my parents anything in Zoe. I'm going to be in a better mentally headspace and a healthier and love myself more. I'm going to be a content creator and film my journey. I'm going to invest in crypto, and I'm going to put money in my Roth IRA. I will learn to deal with my emotions better, depression, anxiety, stress, anger, etc. And I'll become someone no one thought I could ever be. Nah, that's inspirational shit right there. That's if that's not self-improvement, bro, I don't know what is. For real. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, I remember I used to sit in school, bro, and if you know me, Like, you probably, I mean, people know me. Damn. Damn. Look for direction more. Is it uptrend? Downtrend? What kind of day is it? Uptrend? Slow? Looking at levels? Stalking levels? Wait until we... Waiting. Not a trader. Waiting for the right opportunity. Act as fast and separate yourself from the other millionaires and traders in the world and become 1% of traders in the world who become profitable. Achieve financial freedom instead of one strategy and learn it in and out so I can see consistent profits or fall behind over trading and give up and become like the rest of all the broke traders who remain unprofitable. Wow. We're gonna take a picture of that. Cause that shit ain't gonna fucking happen. I know that shit ain't gonna happen. Prop firms, this is like really, damn. Down candle, up candle. This is literally figuring out the candles, bro. Wow. Damn. Damn, bro. That's crazy. Enough of the notebook for right now. This notebook is literally gonna have everything in it, bro. This purple notebook that I had in school that I've never used. So I have everything in it. I'll write a lot in there, for real, about all the shit I've been doing. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna, by the end of this week, I want to have another band and have all green days. I really do, and I'm going to. I'm going to. For a second funded, I would say this is pretty good, bro. I would say this is pretty good. Imagine I didn't have all them fucking losses, bro. Like, dead ass. I would be up probably another fucking band, bro. Like, dead ass. I didn't have all them losses. If I just would take my fucking wins. Like, I'm an idiot, bro. I gotta lock in and do better. Like, for real. Like, I need to, bro. Need to just figure out psychology. But look, 91% run rate back test session. I wonder how he back tests. FX replay. What is that? I'm pretty sure this is the one where I gotta fucking pay for it. I already searched it up. Brother. Man, yeah, look. Start no free credit card, bro. Like, twin, no, bro. Just cap. I try to, try to maybe pay. But yeah, this is my first video, I think ever since 8 months ago, 9 months ago. When was that posted? But after that, bro, after I made that video, I was on it for like 2 months, and then I literally just got, I really got demotivated. Like, I just felt like I was so lost, bro. Like, I couldn't, like, I just felt so damn lost, bro. Damn. Man. Yeah, when was this? December 9th. So that was, yeah, that was almost 6 months ago, right? No, not 6, bro. What the fuck? Like 8, I think. 8. So I really say I've really been trying to learn for like 5 or 6. And for 5 or 6 months, I feel like I'm catching on pretty quick. I would say I feel like it's coming to me faster than usual. For real. Yeah. January, February, March, April, May, September, October, November, December. Yeah. 3 months. Yeah, probably about 8 months ago. Yeah. I think I'm on unprivate that. Post that shit as public. Dead ass. Put that shit back out. Let's refresh. Let's watch a little bit of this. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening? I don't have any videos. Why is it?
What's up, guys? My name is Caleb. I'm 18 years old, and I'm trying to learn how to start day trading and getting into stocks and all that type of stuff, so I can get rich by the age of 25 and buy my dream car, buy my dream house, and live comfortably in this economy for the rest of my life. And
Preach
this
on
is
bull.
my second,
Preach
I would
on
say
bull.
second day of trying to figure out how to learn about all these stocks and stuff and figure
I
out.
still got that piece of paper. For real. Still got that same piece of paper. There's one more in there too. Yeah. Still got that same piece of paper, bro.
All about the day trading in the market, figuring out.
Bro, you don't understand how mentally distraught I was, bro. Like I literally felt like I felt like I was at
All
rock bottom,
websites,
gang. Like that ass. Like all I was doing was getting drunk every weekend and just getting drunk, not really going to the gym like that. And just I don't know, bro. It was just rough. I'm glad I'm not in
to
this
use,
place
figuring
anymore,
out
gang.
what, like how, trying to get the basic rundown of anything. And I got one page of notes right here, and I was in school and I was just doing this like the whole time, almost that whole day in school. I got one page right here, and I got another one, whole another page of notes right here, and then on the back it's just like, it's really like just the aspect.
Also, if y'all see me look over here, I'm looking at myself while I talk. I don't
It's
know why.
everything, like the trading frequency and the skills and the holding periods and the funds and the potential earnings and
27
the
minutes.
risk and the investments analysis and all the time that you have to put into this, and then all like the tax implications in it, and then all the stress levels and the tools that you need and the fees and all the money that you need to make money, because you really need money to make money, especially now, bro. Like you need money to make money. And I got one of my school notebooks right here. I've been trying to take notes. Literally have my whole
This was never used for school, bro. I
back
never
side
used
of
that
this.
notebook
Like
for
half
school.
of it is for school, and then half of it is just gonna be this right here, day trading. And then one dude that I'm watching, his name is I feel like he's been, for this past day, I feel like he's been doing pretty straight, helping me out a little bit. It's a day trading, and I literally found him like a day or 2 days ago, and I'm trying to figure out. I've been searching a bit like the basic videos of him just explaining everything.
You know what that is? That's Coke.
My little chop right now, it's straight though, cause we're gonna get rich. We're gonna be in the gym. We're gonna be living lavish on God. And I've been manifesting this, bro. We gonna get rich, bro. And I really want to learn how to do all this. And hold on. Wait, sir, tell me I can't flip the camera. Well, anyways, it's this dude right here, the day trader.
I think I literally only watched him for like 5 more days after this. And I never watched him again. I ain't gonna hold you.
At it right here. And
Not even
I
gonna
got this right here. This is the tradingview.com. I done created me an account and everything. Hope y'all can see this right here. Hold on. I done created me an account and everything.
Yes,
for this right here, and I got my Investopedia simulator, and I'm trying to figure out like all like the market's still closed. It opens about.
Alright, bro. Can't even be reminiscent for real. because we still ain't even got a payout yet. So I don't know why it's not saying this video is public. Yeah, there it goes. 9 months ago. Yeah. 9 months ago. Make this shit happen. I will. I will, bro. Trust me, TJ. I fucking will. Dead ass. But yeah, bro. I think this is a pretty good. And I'm gonna try to do weekly biases or like daily biases and like why I took trades. I can't trade New York Open because I got a fuck ass job and I work from 7 a.m. to damn 6 o'clock, so I'm only able to trade Asia, sadly. But whenever I get profitable, get a payout, quitting that bitch. I'm getting a job where I can trade New York. Dead ass. Fucking little coffee shop job, bro. Little coffee shop job. So I can come in at like 12 o'clock, get off at 5 on some calm shit. So I'm still making a little money there, even though it's like $12. That's a little, if I blow a funded, I mean, I could really just use that money as either money for my car payment while I'm getting this money from trading. And then I just continue to stack my bread and stack my fundeds and just continue to just grow. Just grow my bread and put money in crypto. Even though this would be a really good ass time to buy crypto right now. Honestly, I think the market. Ooh, let's look on the Blowfin trade, bro. I entered this trade so bad, bro. I seen that he called this shit out, bro, but I was goddamn bullshitting, bro. I was bullshitting. I didn't get a good entry. I probably fucking. Hold on. Don't be mad at me. Rich bitch, shop on Sheen. Google Authenticator. Let's see how much I'm down, bro. XRP. Damn, XRP ain't even going to down. Just got a big corner here. Look at this. XRP USDT. Let's see what's cracking. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop loss got edge. Oh, we finna break through. Hopefully we see a push after we break through here. Hopefully we see a push. Inverse right, got that shit. Yo. See, look, bro. Really, I can't even. So we need to target up here. Alright, so realistically, that's right. We're gonna target right there. 2.85. Say we target 2.5. Yeah. Bro, I had a really good go. Like, bro, look at this shit. Hold on. Whenever the XRP market absolutely shit the bed, bro, I bought into it. Let me see where it was at. I think it's right here. Yeah. Look. Fucking bar here. Bro, it absolutely fucking shit the bed. Right there, bro. It was crazy. So that shit for like $50. Right now, I only got like $20 in that shit. In this trade. Just because. So I'm really trying to get good with the market. Crypto's so goddamn volatile, bro. Like, you don't even know what the fuck's gonna happen. Like, as you can tell with the market. But I'm ending this here. 33-minute video. I will see y'all boys or girls. We might have a draw. We might have a little drawback. If everybody got right there. But I'll see y'all probably Monday if I trade Sunday. But if I don't trade Sunday, I'll see you Tuesday, or I'll see you Monday night after I get done trading, and I'll post a video. Alright, I'll see y'all, man.